Action! Hi, Kylin. It's Kylin's first shoot today. Today we are making marinated eggs 3 ways. The marinated eggs we usually know is just Ajitama, which is the one we usually eat with ramen. And then after that, Dixon introduced me to Mayak Eggs, which is the Korean version. And then I also thought, why not I take drunken chicken and eggs and I put them together and I made drunken eggs. There is one very important step to prevent the eggs from cracking and also makes it easier to peel after that. And that is poking a hole in the middle of the egg. Usually there's an equipment where you can buy from Donkey or Daiso. Please go and buy that. Don't be like me and use this. A bit dangerous.
Sometimes foreshadowing is relatively obvious.
Ah! Ah! Now that the eggs are ready, we're gonna move on to make our marinades. First, we're making the Ajitama. Next, Korean Mayak Eggs. This recipe is interesting because we're not just curing the eggs, but also curing the chilies, which we can eat with rice later on. Next, we are making drunken eggs inspired from drunken chicken. We're gonna bring the mixture to boil to activate the aromatics. Now we got our marinades ready, we're gonna marinate the eggs and leave them in the refrigerator for about 24 to 48 hours. Bye-bye.
The next day.
Hello! Okay, this has been marinating for slightly over a day. Let's see. So many eggs. Okay, I try the most classic one, which is the Hanjuku. Wow, it's really jammy. Consistency is perfect, quite flavorful. I think it will be even more intense the next day. Mayak. Psych! Wow, this is so good. Sweet, savoury, got the spiciness, a lot of textures. Last one, drunken eggs. So far the colour is the lightest, it's almost still white. Wow. But it just smells the most intense. The Shaoxing wine and fish sauce taste is quite strong. Got a bit of sweetness from the goji berry, but Mayak eggs is damn shook. I think the Mayak is most shook. Ah! I touched chili there, I touched my eye! My eye!
Got more.